Hi QAST community, I'm Robyn, Chief Executive at Health and Wellbeing Queensland, and I'm incredibly excited to announce the winner of this year's Tuckshop Recipe of the Year competition. This year we saw entries come in from school communities across Queensland with recipes that promote healthy and diverse eating habits just for kids. The judges were blown away by the creativity and resourcefulness of the Tuckshop community. So without further ado, the 2022 winning recipe is Dalby South State School Sweet and Sour Chicken. This recipe is sure to transport you back to the time of the days of your youth when sweet and sour was a family staple. The judges loved the versatility of ingredients with so many ways to boost the veggie content. Plus, it can be adapted for dietary preferences. We're giving the team from Dalby South State School an amazing commercial grade contact grill to take home, which I'm sure they're going to put to great use in this tuck shop. Another highlight of the year, and well done to all the entrants and finalists this year. To see the recipes from this year's finalists and more recipe inspiration, be sure to head over to QAST.org.au.